Why, hello everybody, it's me, Gigi, and I have a confession for all of you. I hate Halloween. Yep, I said it. Never liked it, never will like it, just not my thing. That being said, what is my thing? Taste testing and trying out weird, or in this case, spooky foods. And today's spooky food of choice, do you see what this is? It's basting in its blood right now, which means it's very spooky. But this right here is grass-fed and grass-finished liver. It specifically comes from US Wellness Meats, and today I plan on making it myself. I've never done that before, so we're gonna give it a go. That being said, I have had liver in the past and it hasn't been my favorite, but I just don't think that it was prepared correctly. Now, if you Google liver, typically what comes up in the Google results is liver and sauteed onions. So that is what I plan on making today, and I'm gonna be making it with lots and lots and lots of butter-flavored coconut oil. Now, you can obviously use regular butter, but this girl right here is dairy-free, so she's using the butter-flavored coconut oil. Yep, it does exist, guys, and it smells and tastes just like butter. And hopefully, it makes this taste like butter, because otherwise, I'm not a huge fan. But liver is so insanely healthy that getting even just a little bit every single day is really beneficial for you. So I'm gonna try my best to enjoy what I make, and hopefully, it's so good that you guys want to get on the spooky food bandwagon and try some out for yourself. Speaking of spooky foods, over on US Wellness Meats, they also have other spooky cuts like heart and kidneys. Then, as you guys may have saw in a previous video of mine, they have ground meat with all of these organ meats mixed in, so you don't taste them as much, which genius move on their part, because I loved that ground meat. Oh my gosh. You guys should all go check out that video when we're done making this liver and onions, but of course, so let's go do that now. I'm scared. It is time. It is time to try this liver. To say that I'm nervous is an understatement, but I did tell you guys in the introduction of this video that I am all about trying weird or quote-unquote spooky foods. So I've got my fork and knife, and I'm gonna plow through this baby right now. And when I say plow, I mean I'm gonna take the tiniest bite ever and see how I feel. Ooh, cuts like butter. So that's what the inside looks like. I cooked it all the way through. I'm not entirely sure if that was the approach to take, but my mouth will tell you in a second if it is. But hold on, I gotta get a little bit of the onion on my fork too, so I can get the whole experience up in my mouth. And I have some parsley on there too, because you know guys, I'm super classy. Okay, I do not hate that. I do not hate that. My fork is so excited for me. But seriously, I don't hate this. I really don't. So what I was tasting and what I still continue to taste is nothing metallic, which usually is the taste I get in my mouth when I eat liver. But no, that was buttery soft. And the butter flavored coconut oil just adds a little bit extra buttery flavor. And then the onion just gives it a nice sweetness. Guys, I may have just turned into a liver fan. I'm about this life, so I'm gonna pick my fork up off the floor and put it in the dishwasher, and I'm gonna eat this baby with my hands, cause you know, that's what a girl's gotta do, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish eating this piece of liver like the animal that I am. maybe that's a Halloween costume I could dress up as, because as we all know, I love Halloween. And now while I go scarf this baby down, you guys should head on over to uswellnessmeats.com, check out their spooky cuts of meat, and give them a try, because as you all saw, I was super nervous to try this, and I'm turning into a liver fan. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again real soon. Bye.